Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angela. If you're new here, if you're a returning subscriber, hey, what's up? How you doing? How's your day? So today, I'm doing something different. I'm about to show you how to cook. You heard? You like that? You heard? That was off the dome. Okay, anyway, we have an audience today. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make, what do you guys call it? Tostones? Plantains? Bannan, peze, whatever you call it, I'm going to teach you how to make it. If you never had fried plantains before, it is the easiest meal, especially if you're on a budget. It don't take long to make and it's so filling. That's why I love doing it. So let's go ahead and get this show on the road. So you're going to need a couple of ingredients here. It's very easy. 2 plantains, green preferably, a bit of salt. You're going to need some frying oils. Right now I have extra virgin olive oil. You can use canola, vegetable oil, whatever you got. If you're making regular fried plantains, I wouldn't do coconut oil just because it has that weird sweet, not sweet taste. I don't like it. Don't do it. Hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, so first step is we're going to go ahead and prepare our plantains here. So we're going to grab a knife. Be careful, kiddos. I'm just going to cut the tips off. Pause. Let's see. And this is how I take the skin off. I just cut it right here in the middle. So I just cut in the middle and then I just peel the green skin off. If you're just starting out, a trick to do it would be under running water. But the more you do it, the easier it becomes. If you are wondering, this counter is sanitized. That's why I'm using it. Everyone relax. Just trimming all the excess that didn't come off. Okay. And then once we have this taken off, see here, we're just gonna cut it in a slant position. And that's how you chop them up. So normally with one banana I get like 4 or 4.5 pieces. So place it in our bowl here. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the other plantain. I'll be right back. So I have the plantain slices in a bowl of water. What I'm gonna do is now, what's the term you guys would say in English? Marinate? Brine? Brine, yeah, that's a better word. So we're gonna brine the plantain slices in salt. I have pink Himalayan salt because that's the only salt my mom believes in right now, so. Alright, so we're gonna let that sit over here on the side. We'll wait for our oil to heat up. So, frying tip, if you want to make sure that the oil is ready to fry, I just add little droplets of water in it. When they start to sizzle, that's when you know it is ready to dunk the plantain slices in. Okay, so when it comes to plantains, the key for that crispy, crunchy taste that we like is double frying. That's the technique my mother taught me. So what we're gonna do when the oil is ready is put the plantains in there, let them fry on both sides for about 2.5 minutes each, and then we're gonna use this doohickey. I don't know the name of this. I call it a peze or a presser, but I don't know the official name. But you guys can get this at any Latin markets. If you don't have any by you, first of all, I'm so sorry you need to move. But you can also get this on Amazon and they'll ship it right to your door. So so once the first frying process finishes, I'm gonna press it, put these bad boys back in. Ooh, this is so exciting. I've always wanted my own cooking show. Ooh, somebody call Chris Brown because this oil is popping. Okay, so the oil is ready for the plantains. I drained the water out of the plantains, so let's get it. You gotta be careful, sometimes the oil likes to splatter. Okay, the babies are in. They are swimming. So let me space these out actually. Okay, in about half a minute or so, we're gonna go ahead and flip it on the other side. We're gonna lower the temperature a bit. I just don't want the outside to get too cooked for the inside. See these tester pieces? See these little pieces? This is why I like cutting them. That way I can use it to test whether the others are ready or not. You know what would make this even better? If I had some Haitian music playing. Hold on. Okay guys, so these are ready to be taken out, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do here. Okay, here they are. We're gonna go ahead and dry these guys out. Then I'm gonna press them. So here is the super sacred technique. We have our plantain friend. Put them up here, slant side up, and we press. And voila, we have our plantain. I like to do it really flat just because it's crispier that way. But if you like them thicker, you can do that as well. I'm gonna do the same thing for the rest and finish up. I'll be right back. Fry, and they go for the second fry. This is only gonna take a couple of minutes. Not a couple of minutes. This is only gonna take a couple of seconds and then they'll be done. Alright, so here is the finished product. So what I like to do, because clearly the idea of high blood pressure does not scare me, I add a little bit more salt here. And since I'm also bougie, I like to throw a little bit of parsley in there too, just to make it look nice. And we are finished, ladies and gentlemen. So these you can eat with any type of meat, fish, shrimp. Today I'm just eating it by itself just because it's good. I also like to eat it with a side of guacamole. I don't have guacamole today. I have to make that. But yeah. Yeah, this is so good. Okay. Let me get a second opinion. This is so good. Try one. What do you think?
It's very excellent. It's very good. It's the right type of texture. It's crispy.
This isn't a job interview. Is it fire or is it not fire?
It's fire.
Okay, thank you.